If you're looking for help fixing your European home gas fireplace, look no further. Our comprehensive European home gas fireplace repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. For the home, kitchen, and beyond, European Home manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of European Home appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Fireplace burner. If your pilot light is working but the main burner doesn't turn on, the problem is probably the thermostat. This is a common issue that many homeowners overlook. Make sure the thermostat is on and that the current room temperature is below the thermostat setting. There are fireplace burner issues that go beyond basic troubleshooting and require professional repair. Among the causes of problems with gas fireplace burners are wiring that is faulty, damaged, or unattached could be the cause of a burner that won't light. If the pilot light orifice is dirty, contact our professionals to remove soot, dirt, and other contaminants. The orifice is where the flame emerges, and if it is dirty or obstructed, it won't operate properly. The thermocouple may need to be replaced. If you believe this part is malfunctioning, contact our service professionals, who can run a test that will identify whether this is the cause, which will prevent unnecessarily replacing it. Check the thermocouple or thermopile. Both the thermocouple and thermopile are used to generate electricity to light the fire and be a general sensor for the temperature. If either of these parts malfunction, then the pilot light will not be able to do its job. The thermocouple is often found in older gas fireplaces, and the number one issue related to these is that they aren't hooked up correctly or not properly secured. Check the wires, screws, and tubing to see if everything is in the proper places. Thermopiles are a bit newer and are often found in the latest models of gas fireplaces. Because they generate electricity that is measured in millivolts, they are often called millivolt generators. Like their predecessor, their main problem is usually that they aren't hooked up correctly or have loose wiring. Replacement of these is difficult and should only be done when all other issues related to the fireplace are resolved. Airflow and chimney issues. Unless you have a ventless gas fireplace, you should have some sort of chimney attached. All chimneys, regardless of what they are attached to, act on a simple principle: hot air rises, while cooler air drops. Gas fireplaces, if they ever are producing smoke, can come from numerous areas: improper log alignment, dirty burners, misaligned screen, or negative air pressure within the home. Sometimes the issue can be with the chimney, stopping the warmer leftover gas from leaving the fireplace properly. Higher efficiency models have an issue that less efficient ones don't, in that there isn't enough heat being radiated through the flue, resulting in lower flue temperature. This can result in condensation building up inside the chimney itself. It is recommended to have a certified chimney sweep who is familiar with gas models look at your fireplace at least once a year so they can prevent these problems. It is important to keep in mind that when starting a gas fireplace, it may be necessary to slightly open a window or door for the first few minutes of lighting the fireplace to release any negative pressure within the home. This will allow the heat to rise and force the fireplace to draw. Strange noises. There is usually no reason to be alarmed if your gas fireplace is making noises. Do some investigation. However, if you hear a new sound and experience an operating problem at the same time. Common causes of gas fireplace noises follow a rumbling noise that occurs when the burners are on, typically means that burners are dirty. Contact our chimney professionals to have your burners properly cleaned. If there is a roaring sound that occurs when the pilot light is on, it is usually because the flame needs to be adjusted. A grinding or shrieking noise is usually caused by a fan or blower. Not all gas fireplaces have this feature. Newer gas fireplaces with blowers are usually a lot quieter than a lot of older fan systems, which can sometimes be quite noisy. Unpleasant odors. Your gas fireplace should never smell like gas, which is similar to the smell of sulfur. If you do smell gas, immediately call the fire department and your gas provider. There are other odors that you may smell with a gas fireplace, such as the following: smelly gas fireplace. If there are glass doors on your gas fireplace, it is possible that the doors are not sealed properly, which allows odors to escape into your home. Clips and glass fasteners need to be firmly in place. Dirt, pet dander, and dust can get inside internal components and the burner, which creates odors. This usually only happens with ventless gas fireplaces. Objects that are placed on the mantelpiece or near the gas fireplace can emit odors when heated. if you decide that may be the cause of odors. Remove one object at a time to see if the problem is solved.